This toilet tank here has a bit of a situation with this plastic lever arm here that's inside the toilet tank, and it broke off, of course, right here at the base on the lever. So this is going to be replaced by something that promises to be a universal fit. I'll be interested in finding that one out. Hopefully the toilet tank manufacturers or the part manufacturers take it apart, size these components in a way that it fits through this square hole. Hopefully it does. And then the chain very simply hooks up to one of the holes on this lever arm. So that's in theory. Let's see how this fits. Let's see the test fit. Okay, it goes through so far. So far so good. Let's see. Universal fit. Okay, wow, you made it too. Where's the nut? This one is the new nut for it?
Yep.
Alright. Let's try to put the nut on. Tools needed, so far nothing. And of course, to remove other waste bin. Yeah, situation happens. Okay. There, looking good. Where's the pliers that you had?
Put it on my bed.
On the bed, okay. So let's see what happens with that chain. The length of the chain needs to be set eventually in a way that it works. Okay, let's see. Flush the toilet. Okay, the flat valve opens. Release the lever. Okay, and of course the fill valve is flawless, so grab the pliers in your bedroom and let's tighten this thing. Keep coming. Oh yeah, pliers are coming. Okay, whoa, that's huge too. Okay, just ever so careful. Was it that way? That's more than enough tightening for the next century.
Yes.
Okay. Cleanup is good to go in aisle 1. Put the lid back on. So this one has a metal arm. Okay. Nice. Flush the system. Let's hear it. How's the feel? It works, it fills. It's done. The fill valve, sorry, the flat valve down there fully closes because there's enough slack in the chain, so that's good. We're done.